Incorporating essential oils into soap making is not only imparts natural fragrances but also enhances the therapeutic properties of the soap. Below is a selection of some of the most popular essential oils used in soap making, along with their benefits. Number one is Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender Essential Oil is renowned for its calming and soothing properties. It helps reduce stress and promotes relaxation. Additionally, it possesses antimicrobial qualities that can aid in cleansing the skin. Number two is Tea Tree Essential Oil. Tea tree essential oil is celebrated for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it ideal for soaps aimed at acne-prone or oily skin. It can help combat blemishes and promote a clearer complexion. The third one is Peppermint Essential Oil. Peppermint essential oil provides a refreshing, cooling sensation. Its invigorating scent can help awaken the senses, and it has antiseptic properties that can contribute to skin cleanliness. Number four is Eucalyptus Essential Oil. This oil offers a crisp, clean aroma and is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. It can be particularly soothing in soaps intended for use during colds or respiratory discomfort. The fifth one is Lemon Essential Oil. Lemon essential oil has a bright, uplifting citrus scent. It possesses natural astringents and antibacterial properties which can help in cleansing the skin and reducing excess oil. Number six is Rosemary Essential Oil. Rosemary Essential Oil has a fresh herbal scent and is known for its ability to refresh and tone the skin. It also promotes relaxation and mental clarity. Number seven is Patchouli Essential Oil. This oil offers a deep, earthy aroma. It is beneficial for soothing dry or irritated skin. It has calming effects that can aid in stress relief. Number eight is Bergamot Essential Oil. Bergamot Essential Oil emits a light citrusy fragrance with floral notes. It helps cleanse and balance oil skin and has a calming, uplifting aroma. Number nine is Cedarwood Essential Oil. Cedarwood Essential Oil has a warm, woody scent and is known for its calming properties. It can help soothe skin and is often used in soaps intended for relaxation. The last but not the least is Orange Essential Oil. Orange essential oil provides a sweet, citrusy fragrance that can uplift mood. It also has antibacterial properties and can help promote a sense of well-being. Here are some usage tips on how to use essential oil appropriately. Now, combining different essential oils can create unique and pleasant fragrances. For example, mixing lavender with eucalyptus can result in a calming yet refreshing scent. So it's proper to mix different fragrance oil that can combine appropriately to use in making your soup. For concentration, essential oils are potent, and a general guideline is to use about 0.5 to 1 ounce of essential oil per pound of soup base, but this can vary depending on the oil strength and the desired fragrance intensity. So before using your essential oil, make sure to use the appropriate amount of fragrance for the particular soap base size you are making. So for safety, always perform a patch test when using a new fragrance oil or when using a new essential oil to ensure no allergic reactions occur. Some oils can be irritating to sensitive skin, so it's important to use them judiciously. Incorporating these essential oils into your soup making process can enhance the sensory experience and provide additional skin benefits, making your homemade soups both enjoyable and functional. Yes, guys, this is the end of this video. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell if you've not, so that you'll be updated anytime a new video is being put up. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.